Hey y'all, today I have a tutorial on how I apply my full lace wigs. If you're looking for a quick and easy yet undetectable way on how to apply full lace wigs, keep watching. So here I'm just starting off with a flat twist, nothing special. And this is the cap construction. It has 3 combs and an adjustable strap in the back. And of course, as always, lace wigs do come with lace in the front. So you're going to have to slowly and carefully take off the lace by cutting it as close to the hairline as possible. Next, I'm going to apply a stocking cap that's close to my scalp color, and this actually came with the unit. Now I'm going to push it back a little bit and expose some of my own scalp, and then I'm going to take a soft bristle brush and comb the hair towards the opposite side of my part. Now I'm going to apply the wig, and you're going to see that I'm going to line up the wig's part to my part. Here I'm just securing the clips that's in the wig to my actual hair underneath the stocking cap. And I'm also adjusting the strap in the back. Now I'm going to take a comb and I'm going to straighten the part out as much as possible. And I'm going to match it up with my own part. Now I'm going to place some bobby pins on both sides of the part to make sure that the unit doesn't slide around or lift up. Next, I'm going to apply some Eco-Styler gel to the actual unit and to my hair to flatten out the front part of it. This is just going to tidy up the look. Scalp. And then you're going to take your finger. I'll just take my finger and blend it. I'm just going to take my baby brush and I'm just going to comb it and make sure that it's blended well. And then I'm just going to add some finishing touches with the flat iron and make sure that, it's really sleek and polished. Let me tell y'all how much I love this unit. The hair is amazingly soft and I had no shedding. It was absolutely amazing. The cut is just so perfect and the color, everything is custom.